Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to cast VLC video to Android TV or any other device. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more helpful tutorials and videos. So let's open VLC Media Player, and for example, we're gonna select playback here option on the menu and click on render. Let's authorize this. Click on playback and render, and so choose your for example your destination. Here it is local, but first let's open a video to better understand this. Let's open a file, this one. Guys, today I'm show, and let's head over to playback and click on render, and you'll find here the local, or you can find also another destination or device, for example Android TV or any other tool. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.